Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now we are going to see exercise 6.1 of lines and angles. Second question. In the figure that is shown, lines X, Y and MN intersect at the point O. If angle POY is 90 degree and A is to B ratio is 2:3, find the value of C. Now we will just see how to solve this. First, angle POY as per your diagram plus angle POX is equal to 180 degree. This they have given it is 90 degree plus angle POX is 180 degree. Therefore angle POX is 90 degree. Right? Angle POX is splitted as A and B. Therefore angle A plus angle B is equal to 190 degree, right? It's not 180, 90 degree, because angle POX is 90 degree. That is equal to angle A plus angle B. Angle A plus angle B is 90 degree. They have given ratio A is to B is equal to 2:3. Now we need to find the individual angle value. Now, which we do right from our small classes. 2 plus 3 is 5. 90 divided by 5 will give you 18. So multiplying 18 with this, so A value, angle A is equal to 36 degree, angle B is equal to 54 degree. We got the value of angle A and angle B. Now we are asked to find the value of angle C. Now angle C, that is XON. Angle XON is asked, right? XON is asked, that is angle, that is C. Just it is C, it's not angle C, it's C. Okay. This is equal to angle POY plus angle MOP. Just look at the diagram. XON, that is this one, is equal to this plus this. Why? Because vertically opposite angle. Just look like this, right? Vertically opposite angle. Yes. Now we know the values. So C, both angle XON or C, whatever it is, both are same. They asked us to find the C value only in our question. Angle POY. What we got? Angle POY, it's 90 degree, right? We know that. 90 degree plus MOP. Angle MOP is represented as A, right? In your question, angle MOP is represented as A. What is the value of A which we found now is 36, right? So 90 plus 36 will give you the value of C. Therefore C value is 126 degree. That is equal to angle XON. They haven't mentioned find the angle XON. They have just mentioned what is C. That is find C. The value of C is 126 degree. So this is your second question. The next video will see the third question, upcoming questions that is present in this exercise. Subscribe my channel. Thank you.